Is the YouTube app not working on your phone? Are videos stuck loading, buffering, constantly or showing playback error? Don't worry, in this video we will show you simple solution that can help fix common YouTube problem on Android and iPhone. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is related to your network. You can also restart router or turn on airplane mode on and off. Next, completely close the YouTube app and open it again. If that doesn't work, restart your phone. A simple restart can often fix temporary app problems. If you are using Android, clear the YouTube app cache from your phone settings. Long press YouTube app. Then click App Info. Click Storage Use. Then click Clear Cache. You can also check the Google Play Store for YouTube update. iPhone users should check the App Store and install any update available. Make sure your phone has enough free storage. And that the date and time are set correctly. If YouTube still doesn't work, try sign it out and sign in back to your Google account. If YouTube still doesn't work, try another Gmail account. Finally, if the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app if your device allow it. Follow this step one by one and hopefully YouTube problem loading or playback problem will be fixed quickly. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.